The man put a lot of out there himself. So whether it's true or it's a lie, he got to answer for that. And whatever his explanation is, we're going to see. But he said this.
What if the man who built an empire on Shakur's tragedy was the one who ordered it? That question isn't just a fan theory anymore. It's the claim coming directly from Shakur's own brother, Mr. Shakur. He's no longer hinting. He's declaring with a lawyer and a case file to back it up that Sean Diddy Combs played a role in the shooting that ended Shakur's life and nearly took Suge Knight's with it. And this time it isn't a rumor echoing through hip-hop forums. It's a family-driven legal campaign.
Mad still that my brother, first of all, that's the
has officially retained powerhouse attorney Alex Spiro, the same defense architect who dismantled the prosecution in Alec Baldwin's Rust case and now represents New York's embattled mayor. The move sent shockwaves through the entertainment and legal worlds, because it signals something Diddy's camp never expected: a structured investigation with witnesses, sworn affidavit, and an intent to bring charges. For nearly 3 decades, every whisper tying Diddy to Shakur's tragedy has been dismissed as tabloid chatter, but with Spiro's involvement, it's suddenly being treated like an open case. Mop has said plainly that there are questions that need to be answered. And after watching Diddy's fall from billionaire
It's so complicated, convoluted, chaotic. It's hard to actually figure out what's what, but it's becoming clearer.
Strangely enough, with a phone call back in 2008, Diddy reached out to Mop through a mutual acquaintance, radio host Big Boy. He wanted to talk man-to-man. On that call, Diddy denied any connection to Shakur's passing, insisting he had nothing to do with what happened that night in Las Vegas in 1996. Mopreme listened, but even then, he didn't believe it. The truth is still yet to come out. He told him that conversation has haunted him for years. And now with Keffe D awaiting trial for orchestrating the hit and prosecutors naming Diddy 47 times in a 180-page filing, Mop says the time for patience is over. Those court papers have become the foundation of this new offensive. Inside them, the name Shaw Combs appears again and again. 47 separate mentions in a police interview from 2009 in which Keffe D allegedly described a bounty placed on Shakur and Suge Knight's heads. He claimed Diddy offered millions, enraged by Shakur's track, Hide Him Up, which mocked his label, his artists, and even his personal life. Prosecutors quoted Keffe saying that Diddy wanted the problem handled, that he was
I don't know how much money is coming in, but I know that a lot of money is going out every single month for Diddy.
The glossy exterior of Bad Boy Records, Diddy's world has been quietly collapsing. By late 2025, the once untouchable mogul stood convicted on 2 counts of transporting individuals for immoral purposes across state lines. A Mann Act violation that earned him 50 months in federal prison. His request for bail was denied 3 times. Even former President Trump publicly claimed Diddy had reached out asking for a pardon. Prosecutors said federal agents found AR-15 rifles and more than 1,000 bottles of lubricant during raids on his homes in Miami and Los Angeles. It was a surreal confirmation of the chaos that insiders had whispered about for years. Lavish freak-off parties, secret filming, and a growing pattern of coercion. Now, as Diddy sits behind bars, his legal team is falling apart. One of his top attorneys, Anthony Rico, recently walked out mid-trial preparation after clashing with co-counsel Mark Agnifilo over how to handle the trafficking allegations. Rico reportedly told the judge he could no longer effectively defend his client. That internal collapse has only fueled the perception.
On your own platform, he said this on your platform that he put up $1 million to get Pac here.
Yeah, correct. He was around Puffy, and Puffy made a comment when they was around, yeah.
Mopreme's statement isn't accidental. Keffe D's trial is set for February 2026, and Las Vegas prosecutors have already indicated they may call Diddy and Suge Knight as potential witnesses. The very idea of Diddy being forced to testify under oath about the night Shakur was shot is almost unthinkable, but the evidence trail leading up to it is thicker than ever. According to that same 180-page document, Keffe described meeting Diddy in crowded rooms where he allegedly bragged about wanting shoe handled. He even claimed Diddy said it in front of 45 people. Whether that's bravado or confession, the prosecutors considered it substantial enough to include in their official record. For Mopreme, it was vindication. Finally, something